Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials channel. This is the third step of finding your mixed voice and this is the easiest one. What should you do in this step? Just add chest voice. So you found your ringing sound. And this is it, that's it. But you might have one of those two problems. Maybe not. But most beginners face those two problems. The first one, it might be that you can't distinguish your chest voice and head voice. Most beginners, for example, find it in the head voice, and then they can't add the chest voice. So the solution is, I give you an exercise. Push, for example, B note or C, something here, start here, and just sing it at first in your head voice, then in your chest voice. Head voice, chest voice. Ah, 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 ah. Then the next note. Ah, 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 ah. So your chest voice tends to be a little bit louder, okay? And then you go up higher, and this exercise will help you understand the difference between your chest voice and head voice. The second problem that you can face is that you just can't add your chest voice even though you know what a chest voice is. That means that most likely you skipped something in the previous steps. One of my students, for example, he tries to find this voice in a vowel sound and in the chest voice from the very beginning, just just skipping everything before. This will cause strain. So if you don't want strain in your voice, don't skip anything. Start again. Start in your head voice. Keep it light. Add a little bit of ringingness in your voice. And only then open it. And if you do everything step by step, you won't have problems. So see you in the next videos.